Jesus Christ. Yeah. Hold on. You know, so this apple tree will get big door. Look, the man. It's healthy. Remember from when me small and when me put the mesh around the tree just so the goat them and something now. No bite you up. I know this girl on my sight. Me can't believe. Me can't believe. Me not the goat have a button say no sir. A good thing I two goat maybe good. Alright guys, so we just now. No, they have it. Alright, charging port. Perfect. See that? Okay guys, so we are here with the island grill just now. Megan, look at me. Jerk chicken and festival leg and thigh. June plum juice. That is it. We're gonna rate it from 1 to 10. Yeah. Gotcha. See there? The man is up first. This festival. Jesus. So have a nice one. Fresh. Missing. Island real spicy sauce. Can you tell them something like spicy things? Alright, spicy sauce. Put that on the chicken. Can't put too much though, because I'm going to go. Okay, guys. Yeah. Yeah. June plum kind of fresh though, but refreshing. Rosé at road. Oh, this nice. Yeah man, it can't go wrong. So then could you give me a little ketchup? Thumbs up guys. I'm hungry.